welcome back to my channel. Hope you're getting really excited. The new FFF summer box is coming out really soon. There have been a lot of spoilers and there's plenty of people on the internet talking about that, so I won't make a video about those. But what I wanted to share with you guys is one of the reasons why I am a FabFitFun annual subscriber and why I love the company. I love the idea of it. I love the perks that we get as members, annual or seasonal, and this is one of those perks in action. So this is a repeat buy sort of video. Brands that I was introduced to, products that I was introduced to as, in the boxes that I loved so much that I wanted to purchase them a second time. And one of the great things about FabFitFun is that you actually often get exclusive member coupons. So with coupon codes, I was able to purchase some of these products. There are two in particular that I'm going to talk about today. One of them is the Human & Kind Body Souffle. I got this in my fall 2019, fall 2019 FabFitFun box, and I completely love this stuff. This bottle is actually empty. I used it all up in whatever I guess I got the box in maybe August or September, or maybe I got it in October. Had to have been October actually. So if I got it in October, November, December, January, February, March, that's 6 months. Granted, I have a bunch of other moisturizer that I use pretty frequently as well, so it wasn't like I was using only this, but I loved it so much that I probably didn't use it as much as I should have because I didn't want to run out of it. But I recently bought 2 more because of an exclusive FabFitFun member deal. I believe that these run $18.50 each, so almost $40 for 2 of them. And I was able to get $10 off of 2. So I believe that's what it was that my total with like shipping and everything was like $32 or something like that. So really great deal to be able to get 2 more tubes of this. This is a 6.76 ounce bottle or a 200 milliliter bottle of Body Souffle. What I love about it, there might be a little bit left in here. Let's see. Yep, a little bit left. Basically, I can have one in every room in my house now. So what I love about it is really smooth. It's not a greasy formula at all. It rubs into the skin really nicely. And the fragrance is just light enough that it doesn't overpower anything. But it's a very light, peachy scent, which I absolutely love. So yeah, it is one of my favorite things to use as a hand cream or an all-around body lotion, and that's the Human & Kind Body Souffle. So the second product I want to talk about was something I added into my box in the winter FabFitFun winter 2019 box, where I got I'm almost certain I got my Unhide Little Marshmallow blanket, but I really, really wanted a Jonathan Adler candle as well. So I added the Jonathan Adler candle into my box as an add-on and loved it so much that I finished the candle in a few months. So if I got that box, I think I got it at the beginning of December. So December, January, February, maybe into March. So that candle lasted me 3.5 months, just about. Of course, again, really wanted another one. I have really bad allergies. I have a bunch of candles in here, but I can't really use any of them. I find that most candles give me like upper respiratory issues or like headaches or hives even. This candle in particular, I don't know why, but nothing. It smells great. It is a subtle scent as well, but no issues, no itchy skin, no like running eyes, no headaches. Like the headache thing is the big thing that I usually get, but perfect candle for my house. Let's see if there's any, I don't see any information about what's in it. But it is the Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel scented candle. Again, this was an option for the Winter FabFitFun box. I, again, was able to get a member exclusive discount to purchase this candle, which I believe retails for $40-something. God, it smells so good. $35 to $40, I think. Let's see, I still don't see any ingredient information on it, but it comes in this beautiful ceramic case. The inside of it here, if you can see, is this beautiful light blue color. So these can be done, like you can do something with this afterwards. It's got a top that goes on top. I got two. And again, I think the discount, because the pricing was around, I don't even remember how much these were, because I think they were actually on sale maybe. So they may have been on sale on the Jonathan Adler website, and I had the coupon code from FabFitFun that got me, the member exclusive coupon that got me, I think maybe 25% off. So I think my total with shipping was around $40. So I might have paid $20 each per candle, and I think they were around 30 something maybe each. So I'm not 100% sure about that. I'll have to try to grab some pricing and put it on here as usual. But I bought two of these because I love them so much that I want to smell this scent all the time. So that was one of those times when I wasn't sure if I really wanted to purchase an add-on item. I had already chosen my unhide blanket, but I wanted something else from the same category. And because FabFitFun is so great, I was able to purchase this candle as an add-on in the same category and completely fell in love with it. So those are two things. And I think they're the only two things. Oh, except for I was going to say they're the only two things that I've bought since then. I mean, what am I saying? They're the only two things that I have purchased as a replacement out of any of my boxes. Except that's not true. There's one other thing that I have purchased as a replacement, or, you know, a continued purchase, which was I bought myself and everyone I know a makeup eraser after I got my makeup eraser in my winter box, because that thing is freaking amazing. Not that anyone's probably wearing any makeup these days. I mean, look, we're all at home. Why? So I haven't really used my makeup eraser, but the makeup eraser, the Jonathan Adler candle, and the Human and Kind body souffle are the three things that I have repurchased and had the added benefit of being able to use coupon codes for all three of those items from the FabFitFun member exclusives website. So another great reason to become a member of FabFitFun. You definitely get these great deals. You get a lot of amazing products in your box for really cheap, but then you also get the chance to repurchase some of these nice products with a discount code as well because of the member exclusive deals. So anyway, that's it. Gotta tell ya, if you're not a member of FabFitFun and you've never been a member, I will put a coupon code below. I think it's for $10 off your first box, but there's also a secret code to get an additional mystery bag. $200 worth of mystery bag items in addition to your summer box. So if you've never subscribed to FabFitFun before, now is the time to do so. I will put both codes below, and I hope you like this video. Like it, subscribe. I will be back when it's time to share my box, any add-ons I end up getting, and yeah, it's going to be a great summer, I think. I'm pretty excited.